I never planned to buy this set from Tomas and Friends. Now, let me tell you really quick. I hope I can disclose or show you what's going on. I neither had plans to do this model. It just took me 2 hours to get it done. And actually, this is the truck for this Thomas. There you can see the wheels. See there? So I took... I was just playing around, and I took a Trackmaster 2, see the wheels, Trackmaster 2 model, and I just converted on this. Now, how I get this done? Remember, if you've seen my videos, I bought this box with several pieces and gears, motors, and other stuff here for $30. Now, here's the very important thing. This rod comes on this bag, so I took a 10 centimeters long rod and I bend it like this. See this shape? So I gotta try to figure out the way to make the what's this, U shape or something, B shape or whatever you want to call it, rod assembly. So I tried to make it the same alignment right over there, so I could put the wheels on it, and these actually are tight fit on this wheel. So I made a little wider hole on the wheels, so they will spin freely. And to make it work, I put a pulley. Also, you can get this on this bunch of gears and everything. Here's one I use. See the size right there. Yes, it was one of these, and I glued it to the wheel. And of course, also I made a wider hole on this pulley. And the driving wheels, the axle, I put the little pulleys. I think it's pulley or pulleys. Whatever, anyways, I'm Spanish. Now, to hold these wheels in place, I use a very, very tiny pulley. I already lost it somewhere. And I cut it in half, and I put it just as, since it's press fit, I just cut it in half. Actually, I cut it right just in half, and it holds like it works like a cap cover. And it holds really good. So now the other part, it's made from bigger rods. These are thicker rods, and these are hard to bend. I mean, you need tools. You cannot bend it with your hands. You need some tools. And these little things, tiny wheels, I don't know what you call these things. Anyways, so they are press fit too, so once you put it in, it stays in place, and it makes it, it doesn't make the wheel go the other way or this way, and holds it in place, which is good. Now, I know I could put a bigger pulley, and I didn't want the bigger pulley because on the video I saw it, it was in the main page of YouTube. I neither had an idea that YouTuber existed. I had no idea. So I just watched the video, and I saw that this model actually works really slow. It's not running. So I decided just to make it run slowly. You don't need to make it run too fast. That's the point of this thing. On steels, whatever you call this thing. So anyways, like I say, I actually had to cut the top of this truck where the slot is. See, this one is bigger. This is the original, and I just swapped the lever. Since I already started working on this, I was just playing, and everything was glued to the truck right over here. I planned to make a hole right in the back here. It was actually a very easy way to do it, but I just decided to, since I spent only 2 hours to make it work, I just glued it to it, so it works anyways. And also I had to put the drill bit all across here, so that way I could run this rod, and I bent it, with the tools, and I put some hot glue on this thing inside, so it stays in place. That's a good point. Now, like I say, it's not meant to be running as the 24,000 RPM motor. It needs to go slow like this, as I saw in the video. Oh, look, I found the pulley that I was talking about. Here's the one I cut in half, and I put it right over here just to hold the wheel in place. See, it moves freely. Nice. And that's how pretty much I did this thing. It wasn't. I did not plan to do this. I like I say, a video pops out on my YouTube page, and I saw it, the video, and I say, okay, I gotta do this thing. It doesn't matter. So it took me 2 hours to figure out how to make it work, and it works. I mean, you can do this ugly thing that you just glue the wheels, but it's not my channel is meant to something to work, not just to glue the wheels, like that. Let me show you. What's the point to glue it and it's not gonna work? It's not gonna move. I mean, for me, it's no reason for. I need something that works. Now, this engine was not meant to run on tracks. I just did according as seen in the video, because it should run on land only. I mean, on the video you see it's on the hill, on the slope, so it runs on the land, not on tracks. Now, if I do this, it will look really, really ugly, because it will look like just two pieces of straight rods like this, and the wheels attached here. I could do that, and it will look pretty much like this, like those big wheels trucks, the 4x4s. It will look really ugly, and the idea was to make it look like in the video, not like it should run on the tracks. Now, other thing is, if you do that, the center of gravity, it's really high, and it will make it useless. It will fall to the sides. It wouldn't work. It's not the point. I mean, like I say, the main idea is to make it like in the video. You've seen the video, of course, and I hope this explains one of the reasons I made this the way it is. I could make it faster. No, I didn't want it. In the video it runs slow. I could make it run on the track, but it will look different. It will not look as in the video. Anyways, this is a short explanation how I did this thing, and I will not be able to make a video since I just play with the model. Never planned to do this for YouTube, but anyways. And here are the rubber bands you can find on this